Hey YouTube, so I'm outside with my neighbors. There's my this dude Alexis got a new dog. You look retarded. Stop it. Uh-oh. Oh my god, doggy fight. Come here, dog.
Ay, mira, se parecen.
Yeah.
¿Quién? Pues mi perro.
That's my dog, Blackie. That dog scares me, kinda.
Bro.
He's like, roar. Oh, wow.
Fight. Fight.
And then this is my dad's new puppy. It's so small and it's so cute. Daddy, look at the puppy. I mean, look at the big dog.
What's his name?
Killer. Killer.
Killer, Alexis.
Porque le gusta matar a dogs.
I know his name. Killer, Alexis Maldonado.
Look, there's a baby at the window.
Mira, Maribel.
Hi.
What's his name?
Hi.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Este.
This baby is so small. Oh, don't want to see that right there. No, don't want to see that. Okay. No, no, get it away, get it away, get it away. I feel like it's going to like attack it. It's gonna die.
This one doesn't die.
That dog right there is named Killer. Look, I'm petting it. My dog right there. Oh, named Blackie. Where are you? Oh, he just peed. Right there. Where you going, Blackie?
Oh, they're gonna fight. Wait, I'm on the way.
Let's see if they go to do something. Oh my god, get it away. Get it away. Oh, well, yeah. Bye. Subscribe to Zoe Chocolate 3185. Stop it. He's a dummy. Stupid. Say bye to all the doggies. Say bye, Killer. Say bye, Blackie. Stop peeing everywhere. And then say bye to Chocolate, the puppy. Let me see. Oh, she's a puppy. Stop it. Ew, it's eyeball juice. So nasty. Bye.
This is too hot.
Let's say bye to that baby. Okay.
Te calienta la que se...
Bye.